Yo, ever wondered how to find someone's location just by sending them a link? Today I'm going to show you a simple method using a meme and two websites, all for educational purposes only. So don't use this for anything illegal, all right? Let's get started. Step 1. Select a link. First, we need something tempting, like a meme, a funny video, or even a news article. Let's pick this meme link I found. Looks innocent, right? Perfect bait. Step 2. Grabify magic. Now head over to Grabify.link. Paste the meme link into the field, click Create URL, and boom, it gives you a new tracking link. You'll also get a tracking code. Don't lose this, it's your control panel. Now send this new link to the person you want to track. Maybe in DMS, maybe WhatsApp. Your call. Step 3. Wait for click as soon as the victim clicks on it. Bam! Their IP address shows up right here on your Grabify dashboard. You'll see info like OS, browser, country, and sometimes even ISP. Step 4. IP to LOCATION. Now copy that IP and go to iplocation.net. Paste the IP and hit lookup. This site pulls location info from different geolocation databases. City, region, country, and sometimes even the exact area. And that's it. You've tracked someone's location using just a meme and two free websites. But remember, this is for educational use only. Don't be that creep. Use this knowledge ethically. Like, share, and subscribe if you want more hacking tips, tricks, and tools. Peace out, cyber ninjas.